Solve the system of equations 3x minus y equals 4 and x squared plus y squared equals 34. We will begin by taking the top equation and solving it for y, so I will bring negative y to the right hand side, make it positive y, subtract 4. So solving the top equation for y would give us y equals 3x minus 4. And we will substitute this expression in for y in the second equation. So we have x squared plus y squared. Y is 3x minus 4 squared equals 34. And we'll solve this equation for x. So we have x squared. Now we'll square the binomial. We'll have a positive 9x squared, a negative 24x, and a positive 16 equals 34. I see that I have a quadratic equation, so I'll set it to 0. 1x squared plus 9x squareds will be 10x squareds. And we have a negative 24x. And we will subtract 34 from both sides. And we will have a negative 18. And that's equal to 0. Let's go ahead and solve this quadratic by factoring. We can factor a 2 out of all three terms, leaving us with 5x squared minus 12x minus 9 equals 0. And now that trinomial can be factored further. We have the quantities 5x plus 3 and x minus 3, and we'll set each factor equal to 0 other than 2. So we have 5x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. And now we'll get our two x coordinates. First equation, we'll subtract 3 and divide by 5, giving us negative 3/5, and also x equals 3. So we have our x coordinates. Now we'll substitute those back into this equation to get the corresponding y value. Let's do the x equals 3 first. So if I let x be 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the point 3,5 is a solution to our system. And now we'll let x be negative 3/5. Let 3 times negative 3/5 minus 4. 3 times negative 3/5 minus 4. That's equal to y. And now we'll do the arithmetic. We end up with negative 9/5 minus 4 is equal to y. And that gives us negative 9/5 minus 4. 4 is the same as 20/5, so we end up with negative 29/5. So that ordered pair would be x equals negative 3/5, comma, negative 29/5. So our two solutions, 3, 5, and negative 3/5, comma, negative 29/5.